A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. We have the match referee and both the captains in the center. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Oh, that's nasty. Right into the body. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, beats the edge and the batsman has played all around that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Shot, that's an excellent cricket shot. He gets 4 for it. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Wonderful sound of the bat, and that's a 6. But it seems like the bowler prefers to bowl from this end. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Batsman losing his concentration there. Oh, well bowled, a ripper. Oh, well bowled, a ripper. Wow, he's picked the bones of that one. Shouts of catch it, but nobody will. That's 6 runs. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. Captain has decided taking the pace of the ball. is a good way to go. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. That's a beautiful shot. And in the gap too. And equally well played by the batsman. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Now that looks handsome. It certainly is a huge six. He looks in good touch. Hasn't timed the ball at all, and the fielder will... The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. The bowler must try and keep this new batsman on strike and create pressure. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. Batsman losing his concentration there. Good pickup shot this. Has that gone for a six? Yes, it has. He has hit that exactly where he wanted to. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Wow, he's picked the bones of that one. No chance for any fielder to cut that off. It'll be interesting to see what pace he'll bowl at. Bowl him just a fraction of the air stumps. A long walk back to the pavilion, doesn't look happy at all. They need more boundaries now to make up for their slow start. That struck beautifully. Terrific shot that. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Very lucky to get away with that one. That's skillful bowling. Batsman losing his concentration there. Spectacular catch. Perfectly touched. Sure, he held on to that one. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. That's gone high. Long leg in place. Expect some chin music from the bowler. Good shot for a single. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Found the gap beautifully, and that races away to the boundary again. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Oh, that's beautifully done by the batsman. Exquisite timing. Plenty happening out there. Fielding captain needs to calm his bowlers down before the umpire interferes. That ball deserved a boundary. Magnificent striking from the batsman. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. Batsman losing his concentration there. Oh, that's a beauty of a delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Last ball coming up. High on the bat, and it's a good wicket for the bowler. Of the first inning won't be long before we resume. Side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Good shot for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. But that's going to be for all right. Sweet timing. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Excellent running between the wickets. Turned away for a single. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Connected well, but straight to the fielder. Very good running between the wickets. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Good shot, but cannot get it past the fielder. Well placed into the gap, possible too. That's an excellent throw. Poor running between the wickets, really poor. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Good shot for a single. That's a quick throw, right on top of the stumps. Poor ball, but that's a sensational shot. That's going to be four. Magnificent striking from the batsman. Spinner brought into the attack. And the batting power play comes to an end. Good shot for a single. Good shot, nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for two here. Turned away for a single. Wow, that was a really wide throw. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Delivery almost unplayable. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Missing his line there, wide signalled. Very good running between the wickets. Squeeze a single there, good running. Came around quickly to cover the throw. Now how close is that one? And that is brilliant work. Chose the wrong fielder to take on. Decision goes to the third umpire. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. And yes, he gets his man. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Oh, that's a beautiful delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Pace bowler into the attack from the other end. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Good shot for a single. Very well played. Just working on the field where the gaps are. Connected well, but straight to the fielder. That was outstanding fielding. That's in the air. Oh, he has put that down. He'd be disappointed with himself there. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a two if they run well. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Oh, that's a good connection for the batsman. That's what you call a long distance deposit. That was a brilliant shot. Perfectly executed. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Good shot for a single. Lucky not to have conceded more runs. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. Looks in good batting form. Couldn't time that well as you'd have liked. Excellent running between the wickets. Turned away for a single. Last ball coming up. Very good running between the wickets. Ah, that's a good throw. Straight into his hands.